Okay, let's try something different.
And guys, so now guys, start naman natin itong MC OKC ng Oklahoma po. At kung mapansin nyo guys, unlimited busy na nga po yan guys, no? So try na po natin tong MC OKC guys ng Oklahoma. Let's go! Okay, so try natin to guys, yung itong ano nila, kalaban nila dito guys. Isolation through day tayo. Okay, Utah Jazz ang kalaban nila dito guys. Yan, Oklahoma Thunders versus Utah Jazz. Let's go. Okay, ito na po yan guys. Nakaangas yan.
And we're thrilled to bring you all the live action right here on
Oklahoma Thunder. So okay siya, so official Alex Caruso guys. So ba, napaka bisitang kita nyo naman. Chet Holmgren. Guys, let's go. Wayne Williams sa Alonzo Dirt. So ito guys, sa Utah Jazz naman guys, you know yung Sexton na Jordan Clarkson guys. So Jordan Clarkson yan. Walker Kessler. Larry Markkinen at John Collins. Okay guys, let's go na. Napakaganda ng ano guys, ng court. Diba? Sumalaksa. Uy, natapal. So natapal tayo. Okay na sa akin, natapal na. So ba tayo baba dito? Pagbigyan tayo. Oops. Ito ang lalaki ng kalaban dito, no? Itang kabi. Parang dito. Uy! Rebound guys. Dito.
I was able to talk with Quinn Schneider for a moment.
You know, nice one.
Back to the old days, the silky smooth finger roll.
Sumunod ako dun guys. Hindi wala talaga. Hey, oops. Grabe naman yung sir. Uy, rebound. Nice one.
The clear look at the hoop, he doesn't miss many of those. Goes up on the high post.
Nice. Wala naman yung score guys.
That's just run of the mill for him. A typical day at the office. He's one of the more skilled offensive players out there.
Uy.
There's a screen. And out of bounds as the Thunder gain possession. Well, that's inexcusable.
So bago pa lang kayo sa ating channel guys, click nyo lang po yung subscribe. At kung nandito naman po kayo sa Facebook page, click nyo po yung follow guys, no?
Just around a minute and a half in the first quarter.
Baba. Uy.
And they get it. It's going to be a goaltending call here. So that
sorry.
He thought he had that one clean, but the refs saw it differently. They'll count the basket. Jazz on D. It's a 5-point game. Takes it from 10.
Nice. Shimot pero call tayo. Okay, tira tayo guys. Uy, lumabas.
No good.
So, yan. Nice one.
From the line.
Takbo lang guys ng takbo. Hanggang sa masulig natin lahat dito.
They could use a big shot here to get this offense going. Sure could, Kevin. I mean, too many empty trips. They need some points. Clarkson. Right between the eyes. The easiest way to do it sometimes is with the bounce pass. On defense, Utah. They trail by 3. Downtown.
Nice. Lamang na lamang tayo guys. Let's go. Uy. Nagpas pa nga. Uy.
Hey, if you're just tuning in, we played about 2.5 minutes here in the first. They get a hand on it. And out of bounds as the Thunder gain possession.
Out of bounds. Mga sa atin ang bola guys, ha. Ulitin ko lang guys, kung bago pa lang po ay sa ating channel, nasa click nga po subscribe button ko nasa Facebook page naman po, kaya click nyo po yung follow. Dito.
Mr. Williams pulls it up.
City
again with the bucket.
So far, so good for them at the offensive end here in the early going.
Here's Collins. Sexton. 3 off the mark. The Thunder with the lead. Outside Williams. And he uses the glass on the layup. 7 points in the game.
Sky-high field goal percentage. That won't get it.
Utah calls timeout.
Wala, top bounce nga lang siya. Jordan Clarkson, ano. Semi-kalbo pa siya dito. Pero kamukha niya, no?
And the Thunder making a switch here. And so we wrap up the first half. It's the
Under at Jazz halftime report days.
Now it's been a one-sided affair so far through the first 2 quarters, but there's plenty of time to mount a comeback. There's the pick.
Oops. Ooh.
Mr. Collins.
Box out. Yes,
6
box
on the
out.
shot clock. Fires from the wing. Kept alive. Off on the layup.
Baba.
Now here's Williams.
Nice. Magtatapos na ito, no? Pedro, yung nice one.
Spin off the leg rim and in.
Galing. Yan guys, nasa bago pala kayo guys, click nyo po yung subscribe. At click nyo naman po yung followers pag nasa Facebook page po kayo. Kita po tayo sa next na video at God bless po sa ating lahat.
Okay, let's try something different.